Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's ITZEL and today I have really fast clean with me. I have this really messy vanity that I need to take care of. I've been playing with makeup, I've been doing my makeup, and things just haven't been put back in its place. So if you're interested in watching me clean my vanity, just keep on watching. Also, if you aren't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below.
You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
Here's a closer look at my messy vanity. Usually when I do my makeup, things do get messy, but this is just a little too messy. So I'm going to start by just picking up all my brushes, since that's mainly what's everywhere on the vanity, on the floor, in the bathroom. Just my brushes are just everywhere, so I'm going to start with that. And you can even see in the back, I still have my pumpkins, which I need to get rid of, so.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love.
Okay, I wanted to stop for a sec and show you guys what I just recently picked up at the dollar store. They're now carrying lashes. Well, they've always carried lashes, but not like these. These are actually really nice. This is one of them. They're actually really wispy too. They're not stiff like the ones they usually carry. These ones are actually really nice. And there's so many different styles. They have these ones. These ones are really cute. They're very long, but they're not as thick, or yeah. They have these two. These are more on the natural side. I got these ones. They have so many different ones. They have these more glam ones. These ones were by far my favorite, so I picked up a whole bunch of those. So yeah, guys, I would recommend to go and pick some up, because these are actually really, really nice. I already tried some on. I tried this one, which I can't remember what this one looked like, but they were really nice. And they looked so nice on your eyes. I also picked up all these liquid liners from LA Colors. These are really pretty too. This is the gold one. I just opened that one and tried it. So they have gold. They have this really pretty one. What is this? It looks like a mauve color, but it says metallic rose gold. It says all of these are metallic except the black one. That one's a matte, but these three are metallic. They have a blue, a purple, a gold, and this rose gold. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm just really excited about these lashes. I think I'm gonna go back and pick up some more because that's such a good deal and they're so nice. Okay, back to cleaning now.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, watch it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
I got these white containers at Walmart to help me keep my makeup more organized, and they're great. They're really inexpensive too, but I'm actually looking into getting acrylic containers for my drawers. I found this website called Vanity Collections that has like an entire set of acrylic organizers for the IKEA Alex drawers, and hopefully I'll be getting that soon. They are on the pricey side, so I just have to wait for that to fit in my budget because I really need to organize the inside of those drawers because they are very messy too.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, watch it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, watch it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
So one of the things I have on my project list is to try and reupholster my vanity chair. It's great, I like it, and it's very comfortable, but as you guys can see, it's not the prettiest chair, and I've been looking at videos on how to do it, and I'm gonna try and attempt to reupholster this chair, but I don't know. I might even film it to show you guys how I did, but that's one of my next projects.
But I figured it's not on me, yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them, oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
So I was looking for an easier way to clean my brushes since I'm using them all the time, and it had gotten really annoying to wash them in the sink and then have to wait a whole day or two for them to fully be dry. And I was actually looking through my drawers the other day and I found that I already had a bottle of cleaning brush solution. This one's from Mary Kay. I remember my mom giving it to me. She used to sell for them, and I'm so mad at myself that I did not start using this earlier. All I gotta do is spray my brush, swirl around on a napkin, and it'll be fully clean and dry in under an hour. Now I don't have to wash my brushes or fully wash them as often because I bet it wasn't even good for them to be washed that often either, so I'm excited.
Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly.
Now I'm just going to finish by giving the room a good vacuum. It feels really good to have this room looking clean again. And as you guys can see, my white rug has actually stayed pretty white and clean, even though my dogs are constantly coming in and out of this room. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys on the next one.